Hello, you are welcome to solve for s in this beautiful equation. S plus square root of s is equal to 6. This is the first one. Then the second one is s plus 1 divided by s is equal to 3. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Let us start with the first one here. We have the first equation, x plus square root of s is equal to 6. Now from here, we let square root of x is equal to t. Therefore, s is equal to t square. Then this can be written as t square plus t is equal to 6. T square plus t minus 6, this is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation now. Let us solve this using factorization method. Then we look for two numbers so that the product will be equal to minus 6 and the sum will be equal to 1, which is the coefficient of t here. Now here we have the product. This is, if you have minus 2 multiplied by 3, this is equal to minus 6. Then the coefficient of t here is 1. If you have the sum minus 2 plus 3, this is equal to 1. Then minus 2t plus 3t, this is equal to t. Now we're going to replace this t by this. Therefore, the whole of this is t square minus 2t plus 3t minus 6 is equal to 0. And this is t bracket t minus 2 plus 3 bracket t minus 2 is equal to 0. Then here you can see that t minus 2 is common. Let's bring it out. We have t minus 2 bracket, this is t, then plus 3 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is t minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to 2. This is the first value of t. And the second case is t plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to negative 3. This is the second value of t. Then recall that square root of s is equal to t. Then square root of s is equal to 2, or square root of s is equal to negative 3. But here, square root of s cannot be equal to negative 3. This is rejected. Then here, this is positive and this is positive. So we consider this solution. Square root of s is equal to 2. Let us square both sides of this equation. And square root of s square is equal to 2 square. Now this cancel this. S is equal to 4. This is the final answer. Let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation s plus square root of s is equal to 6. Now here, if s is equal to 4, this is 4 plus square root of 4 must be equal to 6. Yeah, we have 4 plus square root of 4 is 2, must be equal to 6. 4 plus 2, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. Now let us solve the second problem, which is s plus 1 over s is equal to 3. S plus 1 over s is equal to 3. This is the second equation. Solution. Now here, this is over 1 and this is over 1. So the LCM here is x. Now 1 in s, that is s times s square, plus s in s times 1. S in s, 1 times 1, that is 1, is equal to 1 in s times 3, that is 3x. Or we have s plus 1 over s is equal to 3. If you multiply the whole of the equation by x, we have s multiplied by s plus 1 over s multiplied by s is equal to 3 multiplied by s. This cancel this. S times s square plus 1 is equal to 3 times s, 3s. Get the same thing. S square plus 1 minus 3s is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. S square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3, c is equal to positive 1. S is equal to minus bracket minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus multiplied by minus 3. This is 3 plus or minus square root of negative 3 square, 9 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, that is 4 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4, that is 5 over 2. Therefore, S is equal to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2, or S is equal to 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. And these are the values of x. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Bye.